Tell them something about Justice.
Happy birthday, DJ.
From Jamaica to fucking Merrill Avenue.
Happy birthday, DJ.
You see this place? You better talk like a fucking Jacksonville, you know. Yankee thing. I fuck with Justice, big brother.
This shit going on YouTube.
17 years.
Find it on YouTube.
Ah, see that?
Find it on YouTube.
They ain't over yet. Bionic, Samba, Dread Beast, Miss Melvin, Prince Sound Beat, all the Jamaican DJs. Well, we do this shit together. We do this shit together. One fuck love, one fucking love.
My youth right here. He support everybody.
That's
Every
a veteran.
DJ in
That's a veteran.
that you can't do that.
Cause them Jamaicans don't give me no weed. I'ma fuck their ass.
Ain't no DJ in Jacksonville.
Justice start the legacy. Justice start the legacy. Justice start the legacy. If it wasn't for justice, it won't be no
Street monger. You see? Big up Jacksonville people. Yeah. Go on, man. Yeah, man. Big up the people there, man. 17 years people, I love them. That's why I say never give up. Want to do some more work with them. That's why I say. Yeah. Big up everybody who support the show, who push the show. Start out Ding Dong. You ready to get you? Eh? Well, you already see him enter. So Jacksonville, give it up. Am I ready? Street fighter in the building now. And the man in the building himself from Jacksonville. So thank y'all for coming out. Jacksonville, we want to get ready for party. Party on fire. Give it a fire.
Justice, I want the we on the evening. From Buckler, get to you, shoot to the side. We there, you got stars, you got stars. Fucking now, we fucking at the cars. Pull up, give it up. Pull up, Jacksonville, from Buckler. Right up out here. We got two man, them loving them. Straight from here. We got Twitch and Carril, Street Mongrel. Come on, Street Mongrel. Justice to play early road. We remind me of Passa. Come like a Passa with it. Say, Street Mongrel. Before we sing the next time, more I walk and the people know why your name is Street Mongrel. Jamaica when I like me. Coming a big people. And me mind my pin of them. Now boy can't mind my pin of them. I mind my baby one of them too. Bumbuckler. I have someone that mind them friend and now mind them baby mother. They look like Star and baby mother look like Cruff and them pin them look like Cruff. My pin them now are no stepfather. Fuck off stepfather. You must want somebody who have fucked my baby mother, but I can't understand. You must be mad. You got to all the money was straight. Because when you come at Justice, say, you think we can go to a Caribbean restaurant. And the baddest brown stew fish. And blood clot rice and peas. We didn't remember the restaurant name. All the money was straight. You must be looking at some pussy, you must look about it. Straight. We got some pussy in a bum, but if you don't know, yeah. Play the next one. Carry. Come on, party. There was a galley. Street Mongrel a galley. Hey, Justice a galley. Carry them a galley. Super Twitch them a galley. What around them a boss anywhere in the world. I got generation where I come from, I'm back to pick up in a dance and sell and buy food the next day. And climb Aki tree and pick Aki tree. And sell mango, bumbo club. Now so far, I big up Father Boga, the greatest of all the face of there, and that's why I represent dance until my death. See, some of the girls and enough people hate me in Jamaica, but you know they hate me. Too clean and trendy. I'm a name now called for no wrong things. Karin Peter said one day, man, street monger into dance scene. Ravers are jealous. Justice are jealous. Justice are single thing to the birds. Super kids come and get it. Karin come and get it. Ravers, cleavers. Yeah, we like to the come over here. Alright, Kalinka, 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 just shoot them everything. Alright, sway, 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 sway. Come on, man, justice here. Can I go east, can I go west, can I go down, can I go south, can I go up? If you can shout out, can I go up, can I go up, can I sing up, can I sing up? If you can go east, can I go west, can I go down, can I go south, can I go up? If you can shout out, can I go up, can I go up? I want to secure him on the man. Justice can't go like a cat. Who the fuck is that man? Why Jamaica? Justice here. Where are we getting? Where are we going? Where are we going? What's your team, Jerry? I want to give you much more. Big up Tony Mataran, my daddy, anyone in the world. I am sent to the world. Big up Super Twitch. A long time you play so. A years you play so. You have it on cassette. We use the matches stick them and rewind. From them days, when Tony Mataran says Super Twitch, mad no bitch. From the fully loaded them and them some of them move your blood clot. Carry mine, them must have come to come on the holiday. I hear the Jamaican say, "Ding me, I come show my face." And I'm in the holiday, you don't want the biggest song of the world. People say, "I'm going to trust them." You don't have any answer, trust them. And I said, "Kill me." You must in the evening. You must in the evening. That's how we run the combo class for you. Hey, no one has any trust man. Big up to the man girl over there when most of the girls can't fuck with them, man. And some girl knows say your pussy better than your mouth. They want to be a hot girl forward again. Hot girl forward. I don't know you like this. Michael from Michael. Michael from Michael. Every time you see me, you see me come. Watch when you see me break up. Every time you see me, you see me come. Michael from Michael. We have us come on them. We say, pick up, bring the party come. We are party. I want people to know Jacksonville people and major Yo. Can I sing about a song and say drink liquor? People every day I drink liquor. I swear to God, I am obsessed with liquor. I am obsessed with drinking liquor and fucking pussy. I am obsessed with drinking liquor and fucking pussy. I am obsessed with drinking liquor and fucking pussy. All the man them are obsessed with fucking pussy. Go so. Play it again. Michael from Michael. Michael from Michael. Every time you see me come. Watch when you see me. Michael from Michael. Three of us come again. We the party come. We a party all night till the sun come up. Drinking apple time till we get stick up. You see you the dance your time. Pull up and till the sun come up. We a party all night till the party come. We a party and dance in the party come. What could I red, white, blue, how we party come? Guess what tonight? I'm still up. Be the next one. You found it? so I can't DJ. Fuck on them. We can't let film the people aside DJ on the work, but we know suffering. So when I know about patches in, when we in a fall, we go out there and put some scandal over the wall and patches in, dry with the house. Some people from them and they never live going and dry with the house. Yes. Yes. Some of them never go shopping, go buy big drink either, blood clot. And half pound of flour, half pound of rice and everything, and half stick of butter. And pound of chicken back. You for them never buy that yet. Because the rest of them never know so them plan, them color load, them IBG and them something and them something and them something. See? But when they have a party, because here, Josephine, I'm happy for my life turn out. Bumbo clock, quarter, you see you look like you. You know about bread and butter. You know you're ghetto girl. Where you come from? Mommy, pick up everybody from Mommy and Negril, Clarendon, Galchester, Portmore, Tivoli Garden, West Kingston. Now you have a Seaview, Spanish Town, Waterhouse, Jungless, Rockford, Nannyville, Mornview. Feel this one. Nobody tell me say you. Nobody tell me say you. Nobody tell me say you. That's how you feel you. Nobody tell me say you. Nobody tell me say you. Not the unit. She's up here. Ain't no here. Super fish. Why not me play? She's on it. Look, let's dance here. Pull up. You come on, man. Blood class here. You're not going to play tonight. You're not home. Come on, dancer. Move your blood class. You're not going to say you can't dance. Please, man. Nobody tell me say you. Everywhere I see you. Everywhere I see you. You're not going to get no money on Bumbo Club. Oh, you want to can't dance. You don't want to dance with your Jacksonville. Please, again. Nobody tell me say you. Bumbo Club. See the phone in the way. Let me say you. Yeah, in the way. Bumbo Club. Walk for your money, man. Walk for your money. Mama, move with that they just shave the mongrel.
And listen in. Ding dong, do the prayer night. Prayer night in the morning. Yeah. Look at Shannon talk right now. Justice. It's all about your birthday bash tonight. So that's it. Hey, ding dong, do the prayer night. Hey, walk up and do the prayer night. Walk up. King. Yeah, madam. Justice, it's all about your birthday bash. Look at Shannon response. You understand? That's the all of the strong man. Big up on Joe Steiner, please. Yeah, it's 16. Yeah. The Angel, Macadam on the 16th, they're ready. Yo, ding dong! Turn it up, let them know what I'm going. Mongrel, what I'm doing? Dance on it.
Young girl, I wait for this.
Hold on. Pull up. Carry me see a song here. Hold on, here we go. Can you see the dancer? The dancer wants special party. Where next dancer there? Bumbo Club. Bring one girl come up on stage. Where next dancer there? Can you can't say everybody understands for yourself? You have a dance with girl too. I know say everybody. Because everybody have a pass a DVD in the house. Bumbo Club, like a Ukumita. And the greatest singer, Ima Priya Ukumita from Nagifar. Play Bumbo Club.
Young girl, I wait for this.
We have two video personnel, right? Video personnel. If one of them run go east with a girl, then you follow. If one run go west with a girl, then you follow. So you follow him and you follow him. Play now.
Young girl, I wait for this.
You want to have a phone?
See him enter. So Jacksonville, give it up. Am I ready? Street fighter in the building now. And the man in the building himself from Jacksonville. So thank y'all for coming out. Jacksonville, we want to get ready for party. Party one there. Give me a part.
YouTube. They ain't over yet. Bionic, Samba, Dread Beast, Mr. the Prince Sound Beat, all the Jamaican DJs. Well, we do this shit together. We do this shit together. One fuck love, one fucking love. My youth. DJ J, tell them something about Justin DJ.
Happy birthday, DJ.
From Jamaica to fucking Merrill Avenue.
Happy birthday, DJ.
You see this fist?
You better talk like a fucking Jacksonville, you know. Yankee thing.
I fuck with Justin, big brother. This shit going on YouTube.
Big up Jacksonville people. Yeah. Going on. Yeah, man. Big up the people there, man. 17 years people, I love them. That's why I say never give up. Want to do some more work with them. That's why I say. Yeah. Big up everybody who support the show, who push the show. Start out Ding Dong. You ready to get you? Eh?
My youth right here, he support everybody. That's a veteran. That's a veteran. That you can't do that.
And them Jamaicans don't give me no weed. I'ma fuck their ass.
Justice start the legacy. Justice start the legacy. Justice start the legacy. If it wasn't for justice, it won't be no.
Street young girl.